Why is my Mercedes making a whistling noise when I accelerate? Does your car make a whistling sound at high speed? There are potentially a few different issues that can result in such a problem. Some of them are listed below. Car making a whistling noise. Possible reasons explained. First one, bad fuel injectors. Fuel injector is one of the most important parts of a vehicle's EFI system. Clogging of the same can result in the appearance of whistling noise. The only solution to this problem is to unclog the faulty injector. Second one, drive belt is loose. More often than not, a loose drive belt is the cause of the whistling sound. Because it is made of rubber and can come loose over time, a faulty drive belt, if not replaced, can result in a number of problems. Third one, vacuum leak. Yep, you read that right. Vacuum leaks can also result in the emergence of a hissing or whistling noise. Vacuum leak in a car is usually caused by a crack in the intake manifold. Fourth one, damaged brake pads. Another thing that can cause a whistling sound is worn brake pads. Worn brake pads can make a vehicle's braking system unresponsive. So, for a safe ride, you need to ensure the upkeep of your car's braking system. A car can make a whistling noise due to many different things. You need to be quick to diagnose the problem before things go south.